Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am back with a new packing video. So I am in my holiday PJs right now, getting ready to organize and pack for Cabo. We will be spending the holidays and Christmas in Cabo, Mexico for about 4 days. So let's get going. Okay, so let's start with some dresses. This one's a little wrinkly, but I'll try to steam that out when I get to the resort. There's a tropical vibey one, a neutral easy dress, and this one maybe for night out in Cabo. Has that little metal feature. This is actually my favorite dress I got for the trip. I just love this neutral tone and the prints on it. And then of course a red dress. It is going to be Christmas after all. This is a bikini top and I thought it would look so cute with this black cover up also. This technically counts as an outfit. So this is about 6 dresses and 1 swim with cover up outfit. I may not wear them all, but it's good to have just in case. You know, girl needs her options. So these dresses here should cover the spectrum from casual to dressy, and all of them I feel like is good for resort wear. So let's pack these babies up. This white one's so bulky. Everything else is kind of wrinkle free. I mean, the good thing about packing for resort wear is that everything's super light. Alright, this side is done. Okay, so I've decided to bring these 3 sunnies, and I'm just going to put them in here with my underwear. It's here for now. Okay. So for shoes, I will be bringing 3 pairs. This one's a dressier sandal, a casual pair of sandals, and a pair of espadrilles, which are platformed and has an open toe. I'm gonna stick these dirty sandals in this dust bag. Dust bags are so handy. This one's from Dover, which is going to be the bag I will be carrying for my personal items. I'm just going to put this here. So since these are new, I will just put them in here. Alright, for swimsuits, I will be bringing this halter beige 2-piece. It's kind of frilly. Right here. And then you saw the black swimsuit with the big puffy sleeves. These are the bottoms for it. And then in case I decided to do something sporty, I have this basic 1-piece here. And lastly, the striped swimsuit. I'm gonna pack this up. Let's see. Good thing swimsuits are so compact. Alright, and last but not least, my pajamas. Let's close this up. Alright, so let's move on to electronics. I want to bring my drone with me. This mini one is great. I'm currently filming on the Osmo Pocket. I will be bringing that too. This is Apple Watch, phone, iPad, and the DJI Pocket accessories bag right here. I will be packing all this important stuff in my Dover backpack. I put this in this little slot right here. Safe and sound, iPad, controller. I will wear this. My AirPods can go in here. I will be holding my phone. This is the Osmo Pocket, which I will put in here too later. My little accessories. Okay, so let's zip this up. This will be my toiletries bag and all my makeup stuff. Alright, so now for what I'm wearing in the airport, I'll be wearing these leggings, this matching crop top, bralette. Let's see, I will put a white shirt over it, sweatshirt just in case it gets cold, some socks, and my brand new sneakers. So I did forget to show you guys which bags I will be packing, so I'll show them to you now. I have this really casual knitted baggie here, a woven tote, and something dressier like this bamboo basket kind of baggie. And I did my own nails. They are OPI Funny Bunny. The same on my toes too. What else am I forgetting? I think that's it. So yeah, I think that's it. I will stuff those bags in the luggage and then we're off.